In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reclassify transactions in QuickBooks. We'll start inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right-hand side of your screen, click the gear icon to open the Settings panel. In the panel that appears, find the Tools section and choose Reclassify Transactions. This opens the Reclassify Transactions workspace, where you can safely move transactions to the correct accounts in bulk. On the left, choose the account types you want to review. You can filter by profit and loss accounts, like income and expenses, or by balance sheet accounts, like assets and liabilities. Picking the right category helps you zero in on what actually needs fixing and keeps your results manageable. Now set your date range. Use the from and to fields to define the period you want to scan. Keeping the window tight, such as a month or a quarter, makes it easier to verify your changes and reduces the chance of touching historical periods you've already reviewed. Next, refine your results with the type filter. This lets you narrow to specific transaction types such as bills, expenses, or sales forms, depending on what you're correcting. If you're targeting activity related to a specific relationship, use the customer-supplier filter to focus on one name at a time. The more precise your filters, the cleaner your reclassify list will be. When your filters are set, click Find Transactions. QuickBooks will display matching transactions in the Results pane. Take a moment to scan the list. You're looking for entries that have the wrong account but are otherwise correct. Select the checkboxes next to the transactions you want to fix. If something looks uncertain, leave it unchecked for now and circle back later. Accuracy is more important than speed. With your selections made, click Reclassify. A panel will open where you can choose the new account. Pick the correct destination account from the drop-down. This change updates the posting account without altering the original transaction amount or payee, which keeps your audit trail intact. If your company uses classes or locations, you may see options to adjust those as well, but today we'll focus on the account change. When everything looks right, click Apply. QuickBooks will process the update and move the selected transactions to the new account. Afterward, it's a good practice to rerun the related report, like the profit and loss for the same date range, to confirm totals now appear where you expect. That's it. By filtering carefully, reviewing the list, and applying the change in one pass, you can clean up miscodings quickly and keep your books accurate.